Ah, eso es.
Is healthcare on your career radar? Kent Hospital in Rhode Island is looking for you. From infants to seniors, Rhode Islanders rely on Kent Hospital for high-quality, personalized, compassionate care. And you can rely on Kent Hospital for a supportive work environment and competitive benefits, medical and dental insurance, paid time off, tuition reimbursement, and more. Plus, earn up to a $25,000 sign-on bonus. Move your career forward. Apply at kentri.org/careers. That's kentri.org/careers. Join iHeartRadio all month as we celebrate the passion, power, and immeasurable impact women have made in the world. It's Women's History Month. Enjoy great stations powered exclusively by females, like Women's History Month Radio, playlists like Women of R&B and Women Who Rap, and personally curated playlists by some of the most influential women in music, like the Pretty Reckless and Carly Simon, plus tons of featured podcasts like the History Chicks, Red Table Talk, and Stuff Mom Never Told You. Let iHeartRadio be your Women's History Month one-stop audio destination.
Established in 1981, your home of rock and roll for 40 years. 94 HJY.
Come on, me.